Hey friends, if you wish to fix applications missing from Volume Mixer in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check for volume. Okay, now here's the thing. An application will show in the volume mixer only if it has audio. So for example, if we are going to YouTube on a browser and running a video, only then will it show here. Let me show you. Okay, I'll open the volume mixer. It won't show Edge unless you open YouTube, because YouTube will invoke sound. Okay, now if it isn't present, then it won't even show in the volume mixer. So the next thing is that you can run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can go to troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. And if that doesn't help, then we can restart the audio service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay, and then you can scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it and then you can select restart here, or start if it's not started at all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.